So let's begin the tutorial with the words you want on your cake topper. After we design it, we're gonna transfer this into the Glowforge. Okay, so I'm gonna write whatever. So you write whatever you want. Remember it. I'm gonna write stay, and I'm gonna use another part here. Strong. I'm gonna change the font. Not sure what to use right now. Hold on. So I'm gonna change the font. Let's see. Because we're gonna try to add everything together. Let's see. Happy. Yeah, I like that one. Happy Sunday. Super duper cute. Happy Sunday. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to, this is all separately right now, right, in 3 separate objects. So we're gonna make it all together. We're gonna hit path and we're gonna click union, right? Now it's one object, right? So we go to here to edit objects. So we click there, right? And we're gonna click no paint, right? And it's gonna disappear, but don't panic. It's fine, everything is fine. So we're gonna click stroke paint and we're gonna click the first flat color, right? And you see we're almost done with our design. You see how cute it is? So freaking cute. So we go here, stroke style, and we can put 0.1 and we hit enter. And our design is ready. We can transfer this design into our Glowforge. First we have to save it. So we save it as, I'm gonna save that. Well, I'm gonna save it. I have not saved it yet. So I'm gonna write stay strong. I'm gonna save it as a CVG file. Guys, and this is ready. You can print your cake topper, and this is a very good one. So our cake topper is ready. We're gonna transfer this into our Glowforge. I already saved that. You can save it as also as a PDF file. Let's to it so you can see the process here. So I already saved this. So I'm gonna save it as a PDF now. And then we're gonna name it Stay Strong. Click OK. And we have a cake topper. How cute is this? Cute and easy. So we have our Glowforge app open. So we're gonna upload the design. So we have it here, Stay Strong. So we double click on it. Voila, so we have it here, guys. The size is gonna depend on the size of your cake. Usually you could do a 6 by 8. It will depend a lot, but yeah, you can do a 6 by 8. You can do, if it's a smaller one, you can remake it 6, but you could put it a little bit shorter. If it's a cupcake, you know, it will depend. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will cut it. I'm gonna be cutting this in my Glowforge. So if you want to see that part, stay with me, guys. Okay, I'll be doing this shortly. Okay, so I have my design. I'm gonna put it a little bit smaller because I'm gonna use this for a cupcake. It's not for a cake, so it has to be a little bit smaller. Like you in your case, you do, you know. If it's for a cup, whatever size you need. Okay. So I'm gonna be printing this right here. This is the final result. Super, super duper cute. I'm gonna be styling my cupcake topper, and I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll show you the final result. Super cute.